Okay, in this quick video, we're going to go over adding in project data that can be used to fill out product information later. So from here from the dashboard, you can pick on the project that you're working on, or you can also go to View Projects, and then we're going to go here to Edit Project. And you can see within the Edit Project area, there's this place called Project Data here. So if you click there, what we're going to do is be able to fill out project information that is consistent across multiple different products. That way you don't have to input it all the time. You can put it here once and then import it into products. So here we're going to put, the brand name of the company. Okay, if it's a local, we'll just say, let's go with Miami or something. We'll just make something up. 123 Main Street, uh, Miami, Florida, 12345 for the zip. Company description, we are in Miami, and then the share URL. So it's going to be your map share URL, not the embed code, but the share URL or the CID, either one. So maps.google.com/share URL right here, and then country, street address, Main Street. And what's nice of it is, let's say you get started here and you don't have time to finish it all. You can go ahead, you can hit save. And it'll save that information, and you can see if we go back out, we're still in the project. Let's go and start like we're at the dashboard. And if I want to start working on this project again, go to Edit Project, Project Data, so now I can edit, and I can go through and I can finish. So, Miami, 123 Main Street, or that says state, sorry, Florida, 123 zip, phone number, and let's just put, I don't know, open 9 to 5 every day in there. And then you got your geo coordinates of your business. And then this ID bucket name, so this is for the ID page. Basically on the Amazon server, we upload an ID page when you order that. This is, you can see what the URL structure tends to look like, whether it has Amazon as the root here, and then bucket name, or it might put bucket name before. Either way, there's a place where you get to choose what your URL structure looks like. And that's what we're saying here. So like, if these are for a brand, normally you would just kind of put, brand name as your URL. So then your URL will end up looking something like, s3.amazon.com / whatever you put there. So brand name and then / index.html. So that would be kind of what your URL structure would end up looking like. When we're asking for the bucket name, basically what would you like this to be as your URL structure? We can't control what the Amazon part is, right? So we don't have any control over that. And then we just name your page the index.html, but you can choose what this part of your URL would be. And that's what we're asking here. For this is Amazon S3 bucket login details. We ask for these details so that we can log in to your Amazon hosting and we can upload this ID page. There's instructions here, a video on how to set this up so that you create a user account, so that all that this user account is able to do is upload files into the S3 bucket. So it steps you through step by step how to do that, and then it'll give you a URL. I don't know, it'll look something like that. It'd be some odd URL that only is for your logins, and then it'll give you a username that you'll set up and a password. Okay, so those are the information you give us to be able to then upload this ID page bucket. So once you fill all that out, you hit save, and that information gets saved into this project that then later you can pull in to products when you're ready to submit to the store.